Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce marketing costs with Mailchimp. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Log into your Mailchimp account. Navigate to the Campaigns tab. Click on the Create Campaign button. Select email from the options presented. Choose the type of email campaign you wish to create. Name your campaign for easy identification. Click Begin to start designing your email. Utilize the pre-designed templates to save time. Customize the chosen template to match your brand style. Insert engaging content into your email. Use Mailchimp's built-in tools to segment your audience. Create targeted groups based on user behavior or demographics. Take advantage of Mailchimp's automation features. Set up automated emails for follow-ups or reminders. Analyze the performance of previous campaigns through reports. Adjust your strategies based on open rates and click rates. Utilize Mailchimp's A/B testing feature to optimize your content. Test different subject lines or content layouts. Review the results to determine the most effective approach. Consider reducing your budget by using Mailchimp's free plan for smaller lists. Experiment with sending times to determine when your audience is most responsive. Stay updated on Mailchimp's new features and tools to maximize efficiency. Implement your findings in future campaigns for continuous improvement. This strategy will help you reduce marketing costs while maintaining effective communication. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.